Our newest listing in East Allen is over 2,900 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It sits on an oversized lot and is located pretty much near everything. Let's go inside. We think you're going to love this refreshed interior with a transitional flair. The kitchen is fully updated, as are all of the bathrooms. It has designer touches throughout. It's pretty much perfect. Wait until you get a view of this backyard. It's massive. If you would like to schedule your private tour of this gorgeous home, please contact the Birdsong Group. We look forward to talking to you.